Welcome Prathom 1 students or grade 1 to our science class. This is Teacher Rolly. We'll be talking about these pages 59 to 63 of your book, but we will review first. Last time we talked about eggs, right? And when the egg, what happens to the egg when it's dropped to the ground? Of course, it's broken, right? Yeah, it breaks, it's broken, and so we tested the egg with 1 meter, 2 meter high, and then we design something like this activity. How can we protect the eggs, like protecting the brain? And so we design a space helmet, all right? And after that, we learn how to do it. Thank you for answering. Congratulations if you answered it. Okay, but today's lesson is about here on pages 59 to 62 about materials. And so, look, there is a playground. What is the playground equipment made of? Can you name the materials? What are the properties of the materials? What do I know about materials? Maybe number 1, you can write, materials are made of different types. Maybe number 2, you can write, materials are made of different properties. And so what else do I want to know about materials? You can say maybe number 1, what are the objects around us made of? And what are the properties of materials? And how do we group materials? And what objects are made of combination of materials? And so maybe number 5 if you want, how can I combine different types and properties into a new material? Okay? So what are these objects made of? Okay? Now before we answer that one, let us study a bit. The objects around us are made from different materials. Materials have different properties that are suitable for different purposes and uses. Do you know why certain materials are used to make certain objects? Okay? Now, here are some types of materials. One is wood. Wood is strong and can float on water. Look at the chair. Look at this boat. So the rocking horse is made of wood, and wood is strong. The boat is made of wood, and wood can float on water. Now, number 2, clothes are made of fabrics. Fabrics are colorful. Fabrics are opaque. Opaque, you cannot see through it. All right? We cannot see through them. Okay? Fabrics are flexible. They can be twisted. The wet clothes can be twisted and squeezed to remove the water. Look at this picture of a man squeezing this fabric, removing the water. Now let's think. Why are the fabrics used to make clothes opaque? Okay? What do you think? Give me your answer. Now my answer, I don't know what your answer is. My answer is, so your body can be covered properly without showing your inner parts, right? So it should be opaque, not transparent. Now, number 3 kind of materials is plastic. The cups, you see in the picture, are made of plastics. Plastics are colorful and light. You can carry them easily, okay? They also float. It depends on the kind of material. Now, the number 4 kind of materials is metal. The chair is made of metal. Metal is hard and strong. Like number 5 also, you see in the right picture here, the pistol and mortar are made of rock. Rock is also hard and strong. All right? Now number 6 is glass. Glass is hard and transparent. Okay? Now the fish bowl, I should say, the fish bowl is made of glass. Glass is hard and transparent. We can see the golden fish in the fish bowl. When you say transparent, you can see through it, right? You can see this fish. If it was opaque, you cannot see the fish. Since it is transparent, you can easily see the fish. Number 7 kind of material is rubber. And rubber is elastic, it's elastic. All right? Now, balloons are made of rubber. Rubber is elastic. As we know, balloons become big when we blow into them. All right? When we release the air, the balloons return to their original size and shape. Okay? Now, let's answer this material here. Answer this. Materials around us, I want you to answer. Go to your book. What are these objects made of? Things needed. We have handkerchief and scissors. And so here, your teacher, I'm the one showing you a handkerchief and a pair of scissors here. Just showing the picture. Number 2 here, what are the objects made of? What are the properties of the materials? Record your observations in the table below. Well, as you can see, the handkerchief is made of fabrics. All right? And then the properties, it's flexible and is opaque. The scissors are made of metal and also plastic. Okay? And they are hard and strong. Now, what is your conclusion for this activity? I therefore conclude that materials are made of different types and properties. What is your evidence for your conclusion? The different types and properties of materials are the evidence. Okay? I want you to post your answers in the comment section below. And for the meantime, bye-bye. See you next time.